welcome to another video. Right now I have two packages right here, came in the mail. This is the clutch, the cheap Stunt clutch. This is just a gear shifter, a short one, because mine was very short before it broke. And yeah, both of these broke and I bought a new one, a little nicer, way nicer, really cheap. The clutch was $13, the gear shifter was $6. So yeah, in this video we're gonna review them, ride them. I'm gonna ride with them on my dirt bike, as you can see in the background. And yeah, we're gonna put them on. I'm gonna show how to put these on. This one is very easy. I'll show still, because why not? I'm just putting it on. So yeah, gonna unbox them first. Here we got the clutch unboxed. Very nice, very good quality actually. And I'm gonna show you how to put this on. And then we got the gear shifter right here, also very nice, both the same green, so that's nice. I was worried they were going to be different, but they're very similar. The green is a little darker than on my dirt bike, but it's going to look good. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to put it on now. So I already took off the clutch handle because it broke off, so but it should just be either similar to this, right there. Similar to this, there's three Allen key screws right there, or it should just be some bolts. Just take it off, and here's the clutch cable should come right off. It should be like a handle, and this thing right here, it should be a handle, and this thing right here should be in there, because this stunt clutch comes with 3 holes right here, and I'm gonna put it in right here because it makes it easier to pull. This is the easiest to pull, this is a little harder to pull, and this is the hardest to pull the clutch. I know why you would put it there, but maybe you want to train your fingers. So I'm gonna put it in this hole right here. So I'm gonna put it like this. Yeah, but first I'll put this on, see how that looks, and yeah, put it on right there. I am adjusting my valves right now, and unfortunately my right when I was about to adjust it and I was gonna start it, my cheap Chinese boot broke in the inside, so I have to buy a new one. The new one is on the way, so it'll probably future me that's gonna test these things when it's a nicer day, because it's very cold outside and very dark, as you can see. But yeah, I'll put this on. This is really easy. There's a bolt here, and you just put it on the spline right here, line it up with the splines inside, and just put it where you want it. So yeah, now the gear shifter is on, and as you can see, look, it got like a foldable like that. Looks real nice actually. I really like it, and it's for $6. It has some imperfections here, like here it's not like perfect, but bro, I got it for $6, really good. Just the Allen key screw on there, and I think it looks pretty good. It looks a bit goofy here because I have the stator cover and everything off, but I'm gonna show probably in the future when I'm gonna test drive this thing. You're gonna see this later in the video. You're gonna see it with the stator cover and everything on, and it'll look real nice. But now let's move on to the clutch. Basically what you're gonna do first is remove these Allen keys right here. And if you want any of these items, I'll put it in the link of the description of this video, and yeah, you can get them. And there's different colors too. There's not only green, there's a whole bunch of colors, every color, like red, blue, black, silver. I don't think they have white. I'll just remove these 3 Allen keys, and yeah, I'll put it on. Can't really film while I'm putting it on, but I'll show you. Yeah, I just realized I have to take this off because I have to put the thing in. I had to modify mine, as you can see, whole lot of duct tape. If you can focus. Yeah, but there's duct tape in there. There's 3 holes. I put mine there. My little round thing on the end was too small, so I had to just take a bunch of duct tape and just put it around it, and then I just put a bunch of duct tape in there. So hopefully it's permanent, but it won't go anywhere. But yeah. And if you want to know how to do this, like, all you do is just line this up. There's like a line here somewhere on this big wheel. Yeah, but there's gonna be like a hole here and then a hole on this, and then you just first you put the round thing in what hole you want, and then you slide the cable through here, through this big thing. You just gotta line all these 3 things. This line gotta line up with this, and then you can just get the clutch cable there, and then you can adjust it. Just my clutch cable is a little too long, so it's gonna be a little I think I have to like modify it a little bit to make it more responsive, but it's gonna be like there, and I'm gonna come back when I install it. Now it's on. It's a little, you know, the return is a little bad, but that's because that's just my old cable. I haven't oiled the cable, and there it's a little, yeah, the spring on the clutch is a little worn out, and yeah, so it's just like this. But it's good enough for me. Like, my other one didn't return great as well, but that's not the main point. The main point is how easy it is to pull, and I can pull it pretty easily with one finger. Look, mine is a little over here because the clutch cable is a little too long, but I'm not fast enough to shorten it. But like, look, if I hold it, I can do it almost with my pinky, but with this finger, look, and I'm holding it like that. But I'm probably gonna do it like this. Yeah. But as you see, like it doesn't turn great. But that's my cable that's old and stuff. That's not this thing's fault. And yeah, now we'll cut to me, hopefully having a new spark plug boot, and how do you say it? I've adjusted the valves and everything will be on the stator thing and everything. Yeah, let's do it, right? What's up, guys? You know, now we're gonna test ride the Aliexpress stunt clutch and the gear shifter. At least when I rode it here, it felt really good actually. And yeah, I've adjusted the valves and everything. You can see the stator cover is on and everything. Looks way sexier than before. But I like the color. It's a little darker green from the rest of my bike, but it still looks really good, I would say, at least. So yeah, looks fucking amazing, mate. I would say really good. Like, we're gonna test them. I'm gonna drive a little harder than I drove here because it's a little icy out today. So on the road I don't really have grip, but on the sand here I have more grip because it's harder. See? So yeah, I've oiled, you know, I have oiled this with some 556, basically WD-40, and it's way snappier. Look at that. It returns way better. Wait, I'll take off my glove. Look at that. Returns way better. See, I'll do a comparison from before. All I really did, I just sprayed some WD-40 here, and I sprayed some WD-40 where the clutch is, and it returns way better. And I did the same thing with my gas handle, and now it returns, it snaps back really fast. So yeah, do that. And I also oiled my chain too, and it feels smoother now when I have it in neutral and I go around with it. It feels smoother. So yeah, that's basically all I have done. So yeah, let's now switch to the action camera.
Yeah, what's up, guys? So I thought I'm gonna do a little voiceover while you see me, you know, ride the new clutch and the gear shifter. I'm testing it out, and yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching, and subscribe and like. Don't forget to do that. Now I'll just ride for a little bit here, and yeah, that's gonna be it. It's gonna be pure sound. Enjoy the riding. I mean, it's not that long. It's gonna be a couple of minutes of me riding, just really testing out the clutch and the gear shifter, like shifting through all the gears actually. So hey, and the product links are gonna be in the description. I'm not sponsored or anything. Of course, I'm such a small channel, so I wouldn't be sponsored. But yeah, thanks a whole lot. Hopefully, you get help from this and shit. So yeah, product links are in the description, as I said. So if you want it, go grab it. They're cheap, and for me at least, they've been working really well. So yeah, that's gonna be me for now. Enjoy.
going a lot, so yeah, that makes sense. What the fuck? My front brake is still not there. But goddamn. Look at all this snow, bruh. What the fuck? Oh, there's been a four-wheeler here, bro. Yeah, but that's crazy. Here, bro, I knew it. Man, there's a whole lot of ice there, bro. I'm about to fall, I'm about to fall, I'm about to fall. Okay, I didn't fall, bro. That's great. People there, bro. I was supposed to end the little test, man. Let's test it is. I almost looped out, bruh. Jeez. I almost looped out. That was close. I gave it too much gas. Well, that concludes the testing of the... my hands are a little cold. I don't want to take out my phone, so you'll have to deal with the camera quality. It's a little bad, but hey, I'm gonna work. But the gear shifter and the clutch from Aliexpress, bro, they've delivered. Aliexpress, low-key goated, bro, low-key. Might be the new method, bro. $13 for this hoe, and $6 for that one, bro. Yeah, man, that's low-key kind of crazy, man. Hey, I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, do all that, bro. Please, man. I'm a growing channel. This is new, and it's soon winter. But I'll think of something I can post on winter. I'll do something with this, and maybe some other things. You'll see. But yeah, as I said, have a good day. See you in the next video. Subscribe, like, and everything. Bye bye.